you some flying. We did have some technical difficulties. It was a really great day. It's only about 40 degrees, but got out here, no wind. Now we got wind. So now I think what we have to do is start coming out early in the morning when there's no wind at all. I know I haven't posted anything for a little bit. Again, I have just so much just random video that I really don't know what I'm doing with it. But I did get a chance to fly today. So what for some reason, the apprentice, there's something going on where it's not leveling itself like it's supposed to. It does it at first, and then once you get ready to take off, the ailerons will like kick, and you'll move them, but they'll stay. So it's the programming of something. It's the programming or something in the radio. So I got to figure out, got to go back and read the book again, figure out what's wrong with that. Frankie here has another bad flight controller. I can tell because the OSD got real dark, and then after about 2 minutes of flying, all the data from the satellites went away. So it still flew, but went away. So it still flew, but I can tell something's going on because like the front two props are late. So I do have the stuff to totally rebuild it. I think that's what's going to happen in the next week or so, is we're going to put better stuff in there, except for the e-sheet stuff. I got a F4. I got a F7 board for it, plus a better ESC. Although I do like this ESC. The video is coming out of it's pretty good. It's pretty solid. Those two capacitors take care of business, but it's just seems to be one thing right after another with this. I did order a Mobile 7 or whatever. I'll have that in about a week or so ago. I'll have the Monster ready. The motors are coming. They should come in the next few days. I lost a motor on it, so that's why we're not flying that. And basically that's about it. That's about the good update for today. Again, if you guys are at the end of this video with me, I do appreciate it. If you have anything you want to talk about, just leave a comment. I am not fishing for anything, but just, if you want to talk about something specific I've done, or maybe I've done wrong, leave a comment. I will videotape